How to enable dark theme in Twitch. If you have been using the Twitch application and wondering on how to enable the dark theme on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Twitch application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then you will find your profile right here. Now tap onto the settings app just right here at the top. Select it. Then here you can find preferences just right here. Tap on it. Now to enable the dark theme, tap onto appearances right here. Now from here, simply tap on to this button right here. Just like this. And here you can find dark theme just right here. Now select it. And now you can see it is now added. And if you want to remove it, simply tap onto this button and do the same process just like this. And that's it. This is how you can enable the dark theme in the Twitch app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.